this question we have 5 principles. Principle 1 to 5. Now principle 1 provides that Principle 1 explains to us that there shall be a fundamental right to freedom of expression as well as freedom not to express. Principle 2 explains to us that the fundamental right to freedom of expression also includes the freedom to decide the content of expression. Principle 3, on the other hand, explains to us that this freedom of expression does not extend to the right to realize the objectives of such an expression. Principle 4 explains to us that the fundamental rights are applicable only to the laws which are made by or administrative actions of the state and do not apply to the actions of private persons. Principle 5 explains to us that any law which is in contravention of fundamental rights is void, unconstitutional, and therefore it cannot bind any person. The facts in the present question are: we have MDTV, which is a private news channel. It engaged Summer as a news reader in politics, defense, and defense category. Now, employment contract of Summer provided that any question which is asked by Summer regarding the defense procurement has to be approved by the editor of the channel. Now, this was in view of the 50% advertisement collection for MDTV was through the defense suppliers, right? Now, if the Parliament enacts a new law which prohibits any discussion in public domain regarding the defense of procurement by a news channel or agency, then the correct answer is C. Such a legislation would curtail the freedom to choose the content or topic of expression. Clearly, the reason why C is the correct answer is because, as per, or let's say by virtue of principle 2, the fundamental right to freedom of expression includes the freedom to decide the content of expression. Right, so basically it's principle 2 that we will apply in the particular question, and because of this, the correct answer is C.